Let's curl it here. Let's curl the hair.
Let's texturize
No,
my
don't use texturize. Curl.
So say it with hope and you were sure I couldn't agree that we were meant to be. But our love is what they talk about in movies. Our love is what they talk about.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to another video. Hey
I'm your girl Kavian.
Boy Billy, which is silly.
And in today's video, from the title down below, I'm gonna do my boyfriend here. I'm gonna S.Curl it. So I'm gonna
First of all, today is my birthday.
Yes guys, so leave it down in the comment section.
You know what I mean?
Happy birthday to my wonderful boyfriend. Yeah. So I'm gonna show you.
And you guys guess how old I am today in the comment section below. Yeah. Make a good guess, guys.
So in today's video, we're gonna use the Luster Curl Texture Wave Curl Cream, regular strength. Don't know if you guys can see it, but I'm gonna try and find a picture and put it up. So yeah.
You can't hear us, you know.
And after I finish S.Curl it, then I'm going to use the Double Sheen World Class Curls Activate Oil Moisturizer Condition. It said extra dry. So this is what I'm going to use right after I finish S.Curl's here. So guys, just stay tuned and I'm going to post the final product. In other part of the video, it will speed up, so yeah. So guys, I just want to say thank you guys for reaching 500 subscribers and counting. I really appreciate it.
We fly past.
Literally over 500 subscribers.
Fly past it and look for 1K.
And in this video, I want you guys to give us at least 1,000K views and 20 comments.
I want more comments than that, man.
If you guys bring this video to 1,000K, I'm going to color my boyfriend here in purple. So if you don't want, if or see me color his hair, bring it to, bring it to, bring it to.
If I color your ear,
bring it to 1,000.
Show me phone, baby.
I have no idea.
See the other stuff. That's official, man.
Like this?
No, that's official, yeah.
Here.
Hmm?
Here. Oh yeah, show me.
You know, my always tell them is an honest youth and for them things funny. Yeah?
Yeah.
Honesty come first and all them things I'm saying. If I do something, I go tell her. I can't be looking at her and I say, oh, do something whatever every time, do something whatever. You know?
I want more.
That's burning? No, man, not burning, man.
No want to go up on your edge then because you just shave a while ago.
I'm going down now. Last week, I'm come home late. Either late I didn't think I early and you come early on the norm. You see me? You hear me?
Me I hear, I'm not deaf. What you tell me say? What you do now?
I that complain about sex and all them kind of stuff there.
Who that complain about sex?
You?
Me or you?
You see me? And this girl always a face me. You see me, we always a text and you know me always a cuss about flirting, but true.
But you always love flirt.
Who love flirt?
You always accuse me say me love flirt. I know you
yeah,
love
so
flirt. So all this a video reach a video me I make for curl here. So we reach this up. Yeah, listen.
Do you think, man?
I
try to tell you something.
What you try to tell me?
See me?
Guys, sorry about the
She.
you're not seeing my head because you know based on the setup of the camera.
At the time, me tired of the food. At the end, me just tired of the kitchen food. You see me? So she asked me if I want to have something, have a lunch or buy burger or something like so.
So you will have to go buy burger and I know you just have to tell me so you have somebody
No, she bring me go buy burger.
Who that?
You see me? But she just say how she. A long time she like me and them somebody.
Who that? Who is that? Who is the person? Yeah, say a long time she like.
No, I call the girl. No, I call the girl name, man. You see me? And so come now, we end up a nice reason. She say, oh, long time she like me and whatever.
Yeah, no, me can't stop people from like you. But
yeah,
you know, if you ever like her back, I may wait for a year now. If you ever like her back.
Until she make her move and kiss me, you see me? In which me never resist. You see me?
She do what?
She make her move and kiss me. You see me? And me never resist.
You make one kiss you?
Yeah.
No, sir, I don't like
Not.
kiss you?
Yeah, I'm not to.
Kiss you?
Yeah, I'm not to.
Kiss you?
Yeah, I'm not to. Like.
Most prank can't prank me or something.
B. That's what
I'm gonna do the prank business, you know.
So I'm tell you some parts of phone.
You go and go take it out. Go and go take it out. Go on, man, nice something.
Go on the other. Go on the other.
Go on, come me frig up your head in here tonight. So nobody ramp with me.
Go on the other. You see me? And to it lead. Kissing, you know what kissing lead.
No one here. Keep it to yourself. Alright, so guys, light, we don't have any light while recording the video. The light went out, so this is the basically how it's looking now. We're having the texturizer. So yeah, this is the process, and I'm going to wash it out the next 5 minutes. I'm gonna give it 5 more minutes and then I'll wash it out. Like I said, we're out of electricity at the moment. Not sure how long it will be coming back, so bear with us. But you know the work has to go on. So soon as we rinse it out, then come back and show you the final product. So guys, welcome back. So the electricity come back. So this is the after before we apply the gel that I showed you earlier on the video. So this is what the texturizer do to the hair. Loosen up your thick hair and open up your curls. Yeah, and it's very nice, and it doesn't have in the gel as yet. So this is it. How do you feel, babe? You like it? I don't know why you come up with this idea. Guys, welcome back. So we get it rinsed out and about to apply the gel.
Look at that.
I love it. I really love it. It's not showing up so nice on camera, but it really nice. The texturizer open his curl pattern. It give it a nice curl. So yeah, so I'm going to apply the gel and show you guys the after.
Come on, I must never find the road to buy the food. More coffee shant them for meet me.
Okay.
Come here, I don't know where I want to go.
So guys, this is it. This is it. This is it. So let's go. So I take up like this chunk, just this amount, and I'm going to apply it now. So let's apply it. Apply it.
So much are yours?
Yeah. Yeah, just work it in here. use. So guys,
peeps.
why I come up with the idea here? I was laying in bed, I was saying to him, babe, you know, you feel like 1 year older. He was like, no. Like, oh, I'm like, really? And then few minutes after,
let's curl the hair. Let's curl the hair.
let's texturize
No,
my
don't use texturize.
hair.
Curl. Curl
like,
the hair.
I'm like, hear me now, people. Hear me to him. Really? Hear me, yes. Me say, you sure?
Yes,
Hear me, yes. So me say, okay. I'm ready, you know, because I want to record, you know, because I get to upload yesterday nor today. So I say, yeah, I need content to go up tonight. Because I at least want something so the people can view it. I'm like, yeah, I'm ready. So stay tuned. So tomorrow, guys, you're going to see him. Look out for the next video. He's going to work some miracles on my hair next. So
if you want me work on your hair, people,
so this is the...
Give me 1K likes, people, and about a 200 comment, people.
So hold on the head. So this is the after. So before coming, and this is the after.
Oh, nice edges.
Turn the side.
I did make someone can get to say it.
Yeah, it's really nice.
Cha cha.
So guys, I just want to say thank you all for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for sharing the video. For the person that comments, I really appreciate it. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button. Turn your post notification on. Turn on the bell there. Yeah, right there, so there is something there, turn it on. And we will see you. We will see you in the next video. Peace.